Alright guys, today we're going to be putting in a window into my door right behind me here. This happens to be the template for the window itself, but it's an AP Products window with a slide inside of it for shade, and we're going to start cutting this thing out and see how it goes. Hopefully, as long as I cut it right, it should be an easy process, but if I miscut, then that's going to be a problem. All I'm going to do, I'm going to go outside, I'm going to put this window, I'm going to put this template on there, I'm going to draw a line, I'm going to cut it with my Sawzall, and then we're going to fill the door with as much insulation as we can, and then put the window in. End of the deal. I'm going to draw a line around it, and then we're going to start cutting our trace lines. I drilled a couple holes. Those are going to be our starting point to get our saw in there, and we're just going to follow the lines up and around and see how it comes out. With any luck, it'll be perfect. Well, so much for filling the door with insulation, I guess. Alright folks, so this was a little bit more of a headache than I thought, this AP Products window install. I cut it out, you can see that, but what we didn't plan for was the fact that the window is actually made for an RV door, which apparently is a little bit thicker than our door is. So what we ended up doing was having to make kind of like a shim here, right, that goes all the way around. I just had some plywood laying around, I did the template on it, and then I did the outside of this, and I just tried to trace it and cut it as close as I could, and it ended up being a very small piece of wood, but we needed 5/8 of an inch to complete this, and so that actually completed the space we needed, and I was able to just put the screws in all these areas here, and it works great. We've got it in, got a little, if I can get it to work, because I can do, it's easier to do with two hands, but we got a shade, there you go, so your shade comes down, blocks out the window, and everything else, but the window looks great. Inside and out, it actually looks really good. Of course, we're going to paint this wood piece here, but that was a little bit of an unexpected struggle. Honestly, for being a $100 window, it was like 95 bucks off Amazon. I'm pretty impressed with the craftsmanship and the quality. All right, most recent trailer update. So what have we done? Well, first thing you're going to notice right here on top of our counter, we put in these nice little baskets to hold odds and ends, maybe some fruits and such. Who knows, right? We're going to use it as we need it, and we have it in case we need it for any kind of storage purposes. The next thing you're going to notice is that, yes, we have cabinets. So I put up some cabinets, and I put on some latches and some handles here that, you know, make it work. So just threw those things up there, and hopefully they will stay. I put a whole lot of screws in there, and I figured the more screws the merrier, right? Who knows? So we got cabinets on both sides, and we are set up here with cabinets for storage. It's pretty good. The last little thing that we did on the kids' queen bunk up here, we put baskets on both sides just so they have space to store some stuff. Kids always have a bunch of random things, so that's it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this so far. That's it for right now. The only thing we really have left to do is start working on shelves back here. Storage, just general storage shelves that I'm going to build a little wall, make some shelving. We're going to learn what we need as we camp, and then we're like, oh man, we could really use that. Well, hey, we'll add it in there, right? We'll just add it to the camper as we need it. But for the most part, we've fulfilled what we wanted to do so far, and we're pretty darn happy with it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this so far. If I'm teaching you something or you're learning something, awesome. If I'm doing something stupid, feel free to nicely let me know, please. Hey, you could have done this better, or maybe you could do this, or maybe this would be more secure. Hey, I'm always open to constructive criticism. So hope you guys have enjoyed. Thanks.